I finally got a chance to try the new travel essential of the year that everybody is talking about. And truthfully, I wasn't sure if it was worth the hype. Would I even use it or find it practical? I have to tell you, this is one of the best travel items I have seen in years. Hi there, I'm Ilana from the website lifewellcruise.com. Welcome back to my channel. Now I am here in sunny Florida, and what I did is I ordered some Amazon items to my hotel room. I do that often, so it's a little bit of an Amazon haul with travel essentials, cruise items, some new products, and as well a little bit of women's and men's clothing that people have been asking about. Now, I did bring some items from home as well, including that new travel essential that I finally had a chance to try out. And I tried something very inexpensive, a little bit of a packing hack. And I have to say, this will now replace what I used to use before. That was more expensive. Now I'm going to try to go through these rather quickly, but before I get started, I did want to mention two things. Firstly, all of the items that I'm going to show you in this video, I'm going to leave the links down below in the description of the video in case you do want to check them out. And secondly, if you like this video, if you find it helpful, informative, or enjoyable in any way, then please do give this video a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to get to the main one that I was talking about right away. Now this is called airplane pockets, and basically what you do is you put this over your tray on the airplane, and then after that you have these pockets. Now I have to say, I was like, I thought that this was probably a good idea, but even my husband Frank was like, do we really need this? We even thought maybe for a long haul flight. But I have to tell you, we flew Montreal to Florida, so only about 3.5 hours. It was so nice, so convenient, obviously very clean because I'm not putting my hands into that pocket where maybe people put their dirty Kleenexes and stuff, and putting my iPad there or my phone there or any other items. And with these pockets and separators, there was room for absolutely everything, and it just slips very easily over your tray. If you've seen this around, then you've been on this fence. I am 100% on board. The Casemate waterproof phone case and lanyard. Now, I already had one of these, but something that I noticed is this particular one gets absolutely great reviews. Now, I have not tried it out yet, so I will be testing it out on my upcoming cruise on MSC World America, and I will let you know. If you've ever used this one before, I think it right now is the best reviewed phone case out there, in part because the picture quality is so good. The other ones really do, in my experience, they work well, they'll keep the water out, but apparently this one, to be able to take photos, is the absolute top. Brightly colored luggage tag holders, and you have a little spot for your name, or you know what you could even do is put your email address if you like. Now this is a really good idea to put on your luggage. So many people I notice when I'm either at the cruise port or even at the airport don't even have their luggage tagged in any way. You definitely want to, but in addition, by having the brightly colored luggage tags, you'll be able to spot your luggage when it's going around on the carousel or even in the cruise debarkation port. Now moving on to something that's a little bit more fashion orientated. This is a new straw clutch that I got. I just thought it was really cute to be able to wear in the evening time, like in the dining room or in the restaurant. Now it has this little wrist strap, but you can take it off if you want, and so wear it like a clutch. It also has a strap, so if you do want to wear it over your shoulder, you can do that, and it is adjustable. So if you want to wear it crossbody, you can do that as well. Now I've got a little bit of a basic for you. So this is a cardigan, and I am all for just a nice little white or off-white cardigan. I like this one. So it's by Grace Karen. I just find that the quality of their items is generally good. And this one, I don't want to do it up with a microphone here, but I've actually done it up, and it's quite cute even with a pair of jeans and like a little black tank top underneath. But it's great too if you are wearing, you know, a little dress at night or something sleeveless and you want to cover your arms. This is just perfect. And of course you can wear it over your shoulders as well. Now I'm going to show some guys stuff too in just a minute, but I did buy this shapewear. Let's see, who is this by? By Shapermint. Finally, and a lot of viewers did recommend this to me because I found it very difficult to find comfortable shapewear. So this is very comfortable. It goes up nice and high. So if you are looking for some relatively comfortable shapewear that does suck you in, this is something that I can recommend. Now, also by Shapermint is this black tank top. Now, maybe some of you have seen this bodysuit style that's very popular, but if you don't want to wear a bodysuit, this is, well, you have to actually pull it up from the bottom. That's the best way to do it. And it's going to go pretty long. You can definitely fold it under as well. It's great over leggings if you want, and it really does suck you in. It sucks your stomach in, it sucks your hips in. But this is great too if you're wearing a pair of jeans or a pair of shorts. Very, very cute. Now, I got it in black, but there are other colors as well. Now, there's one question that I get asked quite a lot, and that is, what strapless bra do you wear? So I'm gonna wait till a little bit later because it really is just for the ladies, but I will show you the strapless bra that I wear from Amazon that I find very comfortable. All right, moving on to the guys for just a minute. New sandals that Frank got. So these are, I guess they're like that cloud style. So comfortable. I even put them on, and I think that they are unisex, so I might even buy some for myself. It's like walking on air. They are so good. Now, Frank and Ethan also get some clothes from Amazon. So this is something that Frank got. So this is Lacoste, and I will link the exact shirt because it's not a regular t-shirt material. It's a little bit that material, almost like an athletic type of material. So it's great if you're sweating, and it's good too in terms of not shrinking. Now, going back to the airplane just a moment, fantastic little item. This is, I think it might be called MagSafe, but anyways, you basically attach this onto your tray, and what you'll be able to do is, this is just a magnet. So you can put your phone right on this. Even if you have a case, it worked when I used it, when Ethan used it. It really is great, and this way you don't get that sore neck that you can get on the plane if you're always looking down or straight ahead. All right, the easiest hack in the world. I finally did it. I think I bought 50 or 100, maybe it was 50, of these shower caps from Amazon. Now, these are a really good size, so they're perfect. I'll just show you. This is just a flip-flop, but you can put it on, and then you can even double it. So if you have a heel, or if you have a men's running shoe, it fits perfectly, it wraps up, and it covers your shoe, so it's not gonna get anything else dirty in your luggage. And I had been using sometimes shoe bags, which are bulkier, and honestly, this is so much better. You can reuse them, or honestly, for the price, you can even use new ones when you need them. Now, also, a little hack, what you can do with these shower caps, obviously not the same ones that you're using on your shoes, but a new shower cap, is you can go down to the buffet, and if you're getting some snacks on a plate, what some cruisers do is they take this shower cap and they cover their plate. And this way, when they're bringing it back to their cabin and maybe they're in the elevator, nobody's sneezing on your food and there's no chance of you dropping your pizza. Now, these are the flip-flops that I just got. So let me put that down. So these are, I think these are cute. So these are my new flip-flops. I like these because they're material. Sometimes what I don't like is a flip-flop where the thong is like in plastic. I just don't find that very comfortable. So these are actually super comfortable, and also the material, very bendable. And they've got just this little, here, I'll just show you. They've got a little, I wouldn't say it's a wedge, but they have a little bit of comfort because of this little slight heel. So personally, I find this offers more support to my foot than a regular flat flip-flop. Now, I'm super excited. I bought this, and truthfully, this is not available on Amazon.ca where I live at home. At least it wasn't when I looked a couple of weeks ago. So I ordered it to my hotel, and I'll tell you why. First of all, I've already tried this brand. I really like it. This is the shampoo and conditioner that I use most of the time at home. It's a bar, smells super good. I love it. I have another one, but this one is rosemary and biotin. So if you're like a lot of ladies and you're finding that your hair is thinning, or your hair is very dry, or you're finding that you're experiencing shedding. Now, I have not used this before, so I cannot vouch for it yet. I will try it out over a few weeks. I will report back. However, looking at the reviews that I see, a lot of people are very happy with it, and I'm willing to give it a try. If you have used this before, please let me know your experience. I'd love to hear from you. Please let me know down in the comments below. All right, so now for the guys. This is a new knit that Ethan got, and I think Frank might even end up wearing it. You can see that it's got these little buttons, but the material is a little light knit. Really, really nice, very flattering on. And we've been really impressed with these sweaters. So I keep calling it a sweater. Ethan always says it's a shirt, but basically, you know, it's got these buttons, very in style. I guess it's a little bit of a Cuban shirt, but to me, I find that it's a little bit of a light knit. It's a little bit more dressy than even a regular polo, but still has a casual vibe. Now, I will also share with you a Hawaiian style shirt that Frank has. Now, this brand has several Hawaiian style shirts, but one that Frank absolutely loves is the one with these blue palm leaves. All right, I have one more item to show you before we get to the strapless bra. Now, this is, oh goodness, it's heavy right now, the Nomad Lane bento bag. Now, you know that you've seen me with it maybe before. I have done some sponsored videos with Nomad Lane. Absolutely love their travel products, but recently I saw that this is on Amazon as well. So if you are on Amazon, you can pick that up in a couple of different colors. Just make sure that you are looking at the version 4, because there is a difference between the different types of bags. Okay, so strapless bras. I can't believe I'm doing this, but then again, people on TikTok are actually in their bras. I am not going to do that, but this is a strapless bra that I have and use from Amazon, and I've tried a few different kinds. I find this is quite comfortable. I'm gonna link down below this strapless bra as well as the sticky bra that I also bring with me. There are times that I find that that is quite handy. And if you are wearing a strapless dress, you can definitely wear that. Well, that's it. That is my Amazon haul. I'm gonna leave all of the different items that I shared in the video down below in the description. Please let me know what are some of the items that you have tried and liked. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Bye for now, and happy cruising.